And so this chart examines how many tons of CO2 emissions heat pumps have versus traditional heating systems over the course of 20 years. So including emissions from the fuel, heat pumps have the lowest emissions. However, heat pump operating emissions are indirect. So air source heat pumps have no direct emissions from the operation of the unit itself, whereas fossil fuel systems burn fuel at the unit and have direct emissions from operation. So this chart uses New England's 2019 electricity generation mix to calculate emissions for heat pumps. The cleaner the electricity is produced, the cleaner the air source heat pumps will become. And if you are purchasing solely renewable energy or have enough solar at your house, your operating emissions would technically be zero. So MGED's electricity generation mix is even cleaner than the representation above. So operating a heat pump in MGED's service area will have even lower emissions. Plus, another nice thing about being a customer of a Unilight plant like MGED, they have the opportunity to be more progressive and expedite the adoption of cleaner energy versus larger entities. And so just a few key points to remember from this slide is that energy production is getting cleaner every year, which means heat pumps' carbon emissions are reduced year after year as well. And heat pumps over the lifetime of operation already have the lowest emissions.
Thank you very much for those compliments. I thought I heard them in there. And we also want to mention that, yes, we have a commitment to cleaner and cleaner energy, non-emitting energy supplies. So this is going to make a difference. Another avenue here that we'll talk about later in this session is about cost, and we have an even bigger benefit to talk about there. But in this case, this is our nod to Earth Day today and letting everyone know that, yes, this is going to work very well for the fuel mix for Middleborough Gas and Electric Department customers.